good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. I'm on the move. I had stopped by Lawless to get my cross member. Hollered at Jesse, called Jesse waiting on a piece of metal, but I went ahead and got it because I think I might have one and I want to take it with me to match it up. But for now, I see where I'm at. Over here, I told DJ I'm bringing my present. He said on the shelf. I told him bring him a gift. But he said he can put an Ultra Bell on it, y'all. So I guess he gonna make it do what it do. But I got the converter. I got the converter flush, man. Like I said, I'm only gonna sell it to a subscriber. Or if don't nobody want it, then I'm just gonna keep it for a spare. But I had it flushed out. It did have metal shavings in it. So that's what I was telling y'all, hey, flush them out. Cause it'll tear transmission up. But it had metal shavings in it. DJ said it was coming from right up around here. But I knew it had something in it, y'all, cause the part, it didn't have a part when I got the car back home. So that's what I said, man. Got it flushed out. Shout out to my bro for looking out and doing that for me. So yep, converter ready if anybody want it. Send me an email. Y'all got my email, jmalcolm2004@gmail.com. Just send me an email. And I'm in Georgia, so I mean, some kind of way we'll link up or get it. You want to pay the shipping, cool, but just email me whatever. I get the price to you and all that. But yep, I gotta head to the shop cause I gotta get the dry shaft. I think I'm gonna put the dry shaft together today, so we gotta head to the shop and do that. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right, y'all. So we checking in.
My bad.
I brought DJ a present. He got me a present. So we back already in a week, 1 week, y'all. But what he about to do now? Gonna cut these ears off. I thought when we finna load us, said DJ, they're gonna cut these ears off, man. Cause y'all know them right there, boy. They give you a problem going past some headers though. Yeah, I got you. Go one. It won, y'all. There we go. Now you can clear those headers. You go on up in there, y'all. We're gonna get this thing loaded up. We're gonna head over to Joe Buddy Racing so we can get the dry shaft made up. And we're gonna get this thing back in the car, y'all, and back rolling. So another full manual valve body, that's all we do. Every transmission, full manual valve body. So said get it back to the house and put my fittings in and all that for the braided hoses and all that stuff. Yeah, we good. 1 week turnaround. I told y'all, remember the date. It might have been less than that. Go back and look at that video. I told y'all remember the date. So we'll catch y'all in a minute. Make sure to hit them up too. Number right there. And the number is in the description of every single video on both of my channels. So yep, that's it. I'm gonna catch y'all at Joe Buddy Racing. Alright, so we made it over here to Joe Buddy Racing, y'all. Aunt just got here, had to meet him over there, see if he had a cross member. But I'm gonna go holler at my bro, see if he got one. Tonight actually. I gotta get this dry shaft made up, so I'm trying to get all the pieces of the puzzle today. Cause y'all know I bust a power move right quick, so we got it back. I hope I can find a speedometer cable, cause y'all know mine got broke and I don't want it leaking. It will leak. So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna put my new piece in there since it's new, and I gotta put the fittings in there. Y'all know for the braided lines and all that. Gotta put the grommet in for the transmission dipstick, all that good stuff. But real nice unit, like I said. Yeah, man, we back, all brand new, everything ready to go. Better than ever. We back even better than before. The 350 was fine, but that one right there is better. That's a grown man. So we ready to go. I'm gonna get it back in the car. And it's on again. That's all I can say. I'm hyped, y'all. It's on again. I'm about to get this transmission back in the car. We already got the front end stuff fixed. So all I gotta do is go to the lineman shop. Go to the lineman shop, put the 26s back on, and then it's time to test. It's going down. I'm going back in the road first. I'm gonna test it out again. Then after that, everything check out, we going to the dyno. We're going to the dyno. I'm doing everything in these steps. Y'all know I roll fast. We're going to the dyno. See what kind of power it make on motor. see what kind of power it make on motor, and then we're gonna spray that bad boy. We're gonna put the nitro plugs in, pull some timing out, and then we're gonna hit it with the crack. So yep, man, we got some nice pieces down here. I hope they don't mind me showing the car on camera. If you do, man, I apologize, but I know most of the cars that come down here are people that watch, subscribers, Brown Coat Gang, all of that. Everybody family, man. Y'all my family. So real nice piece. This thing here is clean. But I don't show on the people's hood just out of respect. Cause everybody don't want their engine showed. Some people don't even want you to know they at certain shops. So I mean, I say if this person, hey, you didn't want your car shown, my bad, man. I apologize, but I try to show everybody love, man. This really is a clean car. It's a nice piece. Got Chevy in there too, a vert Chevy. Nice pieces coming down through here. Some real nice pieces. So, yep, I'm about to make this drive shaft up right quick. Then I'm gonna shoot over there, try to get over there to Jarvis, so I can get the cross member with the last piece of the puzzle. And then my package coming with my Hertz shifter cable bracket. It'll be in tomorrow from Jigs. I had to order from Jigs cause Summit didn't have it in stock. It'll be here tomorrow. So literally, if my boy got that cross member I need, we'll have everything needed and we can go back in with transmission. Cause I got the fluid, I got everything else. So we can just go back in. We'll swap over to the 400. So then my drive shaft, I know it worked. Cause it's the one that I had in Big Meats when I had the 400. So it's just a matter of swapping the yoke and obviously putting the new U-joints in, which that's what we about to do. So we got these going in the back, the big boy U-joints, and these are for the yoke. So
how you got with the gas can, man? You don't want got the purple gas can.
Who?
You.
Who? I ain't got no. I don't own no purple gas can.
Man, yes you do.
What you talking about? Hey, you talking about me? You talking about me? But why you keep pointing that touring car though?
Oh, okay.
He didn't want to call you Renegade. Renegade. Someone says your name is Renegade, boy.
Got no 5-inch pipe, boy.
He 5-inch. He got the 5-inch pipe. Oh, hey, man, look. This man here though. Where the can at today, man?
Hey, man, there it go right there.
He said,
there it go right there.
Hey, Twan, you here now? You here? Hey, look, man, here we got going on. Getting this thing all put together. Then I still got to go.
How much was it about, man?
I still got to go check. I'm going tonight. I got to see if he got that crop member. So hopefully we come back with a crop member tonight. Everything be successful. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, we checking the end. As y'all can see, nighttime. Been on the move, man. On the move. But yes, indeed, we got what we need. He had it. So I got to shout out my boy Jarvis Odom, man. Y'all can get at him. Hit him on Facebook. Look him up on Facebook. Jarvis Odom. O-D-O-M. Been knowing him a long time from the beginning. Back when I was dropping DVD, he came through. I appreciate it. He got so many parts. He walked me around. I'm telling y'all, be asking me for parts. He got them, especially G-bodies. I'm talking about Monte Carlo SS's. Like, man, y'all know scrap yards don't have old school like no more. He has them. He got G-body parts for days. He got 2-box Chevys out there. I can't count how many Monte Carlo SS's and how many cuts his T-tops, or he got interior pieces, everything. So y'all look him up on Facebook. He got what you need. Cross members, dry set, he got everything. Called boom, he had it already sitting up. He said bring your oil and match it up. That's what I did. That's why I went and picked it up from Jesse. We matched it up. First one. Boom. He actually had 2 of them. So we got what we need. So we got that bad unit right there, boy. Shout out to DJ Showtime Transmission Rebuild. 1 week, man. It might have been 6 days, but it was no longer than 1 week, man. I think I broke this. I think I broke that 350 last Thursday. So 1 week, man. Turnaround. Whole different transmission. So hey, we back. So we got the 400 now, manual valve body. Hold now, I'm gonna come out here tomorrow, put the fittings in and all that, get it ready. We got the cross member. When I put the transmission, this the issue now. That's why I'm telling y'all, if I get it back Friday, I'm not gonna make it to the meet. Because even if I get the transmission in, that section of the cross member still has to be cut out for the exhaust to clear. But it'll be done right this time. It was done right the first time. Like, I don't know why they cut some more metal out there. I don't know. But the cross member, the section got to come out. I could have bought the G-Force cross member, which I knew about it. I've been knowing about G-Force cross member, but I was like, I'm not paying $400 for a G-Force cross member. I'm just not, man. I can't make myself do it. I'm not. So I'm not buying the G-Force. But I got that. We're gonna cut the section out. And that's the only reason I knew I was gonna have to do that. Jesse don't work on the weekend, and I have my exhaust loose hanging. But anyway, we got everything we need. Dolo about to be back on the road, but better, cause this better. We got the yoke, the strong U joints. We good to go. So we got everything we need. So yep, that's it. We back. We about to be back. Next week, we back on the road, rolling in Dolo, and we gonna roll like that, just boom, boom, boom. So, yep, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It ain't exciting, but I'm carrying y'all along the journey. Every one of my whips, every time I do something, make a move, y'all move with me. So everybody in the loop for the people that watch every day. So, yep, that's it, man. I appreciate everybody. We're gonna see what we're gonna get into tomorrow. I'm out.